Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will look at some examples of applications of linear equations. So here is our first example. A volleyball field has length of 20 meters and perimeter of 60 meters. So we want to find the width. In applications, the first step is to draw a diagram of the situation whenever possible. So in this case, we are talking about a volleyball field. So we should be able to draw a diagram. A volleyball field is simply a rectangle and we are given that the length is 20 meters. I'm going to put that here, length is 20 meters. And we are also given that the perimeter is 60 meters. So that we are given, these two information we are given. Now it wants us to find the width. The next step is to assign a variable to represent the unknown quantity. So we can represent width by W. So let's say that length is W. So we are representing the unknown quantity by W to denote width. The next step is to translate the given situation into an equation involving the variable. So this is the critical step. For that, we need to use the given information. Since this length is W, this length is also W, and this length is 20, that length will also be 20. So now we know that perimeter is the sum of all the sides. So we must have, starting from this W plus 20 plus W plus 20 equals 60. So this is the equation involving the variable. Then solve the equation. So this is a nice linear equation which we can easily solve. We have W plus W. 2W plus 20 is 40 equals 60. We can subtract 40 from both sides. We get 2W equals 20 when you subtract 40 from both sides. Then divide both sides by 2, we get W equals 10. So we got the value of W. Then we can simply state the conclusion. So therefore, width of the court is 10 meters. So we have fully solved this problem. Let's look at the next example. Aayush has $2,000 to invest in stocks A and B. The amount he invests in stock A is 3 times the amount he invests in stock B. How much does he invest in each stock? So again, first step is to sketch a diagram of the situation, if possible. In this case, we don't really have a diagram because we don't have any physical object here, but we can sort of create a table-like structure. So let's say A is here and B is here. So we have stock A and stock B. It says assign a variable to represent the unknown quantity that we need to find. So we can assign X dollars for stock B, and it says A is 3 times the amount he invests in stock B. So for A, we must have 3X dollars. So we have X dollars for B and 3X dollars for A. And now the next step says translate the given situation into an equation involving the variable. So now we use the information that he has $2,000 to invest in total. So if he puts 3X in stock A and X in stock B, then they should add to 2,000. So we must have 3X plus X equals 2,000, because the total amount he invests in A plus the total amount he invests in B must add to 2,000. Now the rest is just solving this equation. So 3X plus X is 4X. We have 4X equals 2,000. And then we can divide both sides by 4. We get X equals 2,000 by 4 is 500. So the value of X is 500. Based on this, we can draw the conclusion. So we can go back to the problem. X is 500. So it looks like in stock B, he is going to invest 500, and in stock A, he is going to invest 3x. So 3 times 500, which is 1500. So this is the conclusion. So we are done with this example. Let's look at the next one now. Krisha has $15,000 right now. She is going to be saving 50 every month. From now on, when is she going to have 50,000? So we need to find the number of months when she is going to have 50,000. So again, we try to draw a diagram if possible at all. So basically right now she has 15,000, and every month she is going to add $50. So month one, she will have plus 50. Month two, she will have plus 50, and so on. So every month she is going to add $50. Let's assign a variable to unknown. The unknown is when in this case. So we need to find the number of months when she is going to have 50,000. So let's say she will have 50,000 in X months. Suppose she will have that 50,000 in X months. Now, based on this, we want to create an equation. So translate this situation into an equation, basically. So she initially has 15,000 plus, now if she saves $50 every month for X number of months, then she'll be saving 50X. That's like in 1 month, she has 50. In 2 months, she has 50 times 2. In 3 months, she has 50 times 3. In 4 months, she has 50 times 4, and so on. In X many months, she will have 50 times X. So 50X, and that must add to 50,000. So this is the equation we need to solve. The first step, subtract 15,000 from both sides. We get 50x equals 50,000 minus 15,000 will be 35,000. And the next step is to just divide both sides by 50. So x will be 35,000 by 50, which is 700. So this means it will take her 700 months to have $50,000 in her account if she is going to save $50 every month, which is a quite long time. All right, so we are done with this example. And this is all I have put together in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you.